everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play VTOL VR on the Oculus Quest 3. Now here's the truth. VTOL VR is a PC-only game, so you can't install it directly on the Quest 3. But the best way to play it is with Oculus Air Link, which streams the game from your PC to your headset. Now here's how you're going to set it up. First, you're going to make sure that you have VTOL VR installed on your gaming PC through Steam. Next, you're going to put on your Quest 3, and then you're going to head over to Settings and then System and enable Air Link under the experimental or beta options. Now on your PC, you're going to open the Oculus app, and then you're going to enable Air Link as well and make sure that both your headset and PC are on the same strong Wi-Fi network. Now in the Quest 3 menu, you're going to select Air Link, connect to your PC, and once you're inside the PCVR environment, you're going to open SteamVR. Now from here, you're going to just launch VTOL VR and the game will play wirelessly on your headset with full VR controls. It's not native, but Air Link makes it feel close to seamless if your Wi-Fi is strong. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.